Yes, please.
Item 13.
Kindly speak to the microphone.
Item 13. Permit to withdraw this petition and with
10,
liberty.
sir. You are mentioning 10.
Item
10.
13.
13.
13.
Sir, Mr. Patnaik, kindly see the microphone.
Hello.
Achi, it is there.
13.
Yes. Your name, sir? ଆପଣଙ୍କ ନାଁଟା କୁହନ୍ତୁ।
ରମାକାନ୍ତ ପଟ୍ଟନାୟକ, ଆରକେ ପଟ୍ଟନାୟକ।
ଆଚ୍ଛା, ଆର ପଟ୍ଟନାୟକ ଯୋଉ ଆପଣଙ୍କ ପାୱାର ଅଛି?
ଆଜ୍ଞା।
ମେମୋ ଦଉଛନ୍ତି?
ମେମୋ ଦେଇ।
ମେମୋ ନ ଦେଲେ ହେଇପାରିବନି। Withdrawal is a serious thing. You have to file a memo. ସାର୍ ଗୋଟେ କାଗଜ ଖଣ୍ଡେ ଦେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ। Withdrawal memo କେମିତି ଲେଖାଯାଏ? Kindly seek help of Ms. Patnaik, kindly help. ଆପଣ କଣ ସେଟା ଲିବର୍ଟି ସରି ପ୍ଲିଜ ଆପଣ ଅର୍ଡର ସରିନି ଆସନ୍ତୁ।
With liberty to file.
Don't be in any kind of anxiety. You should be very comfortable while appearing in court, properly attired, and be very comfortable because it is none of you are holding only a brief. That's it. So you want withdrawal with any kind of liberty or
with liberty to file better petition.
So you please write that and seek any help of any of your colleagues. Yes, Miss Das, 13, whose brief it is? Acha, okay. So since it is in it's in fresh admission stage, I am permitting him to withdraw. No order has been passed. The last order was counsel for petitioner seeks accommodation to obtain instruction and advance arguments. So I am permitting. Upon memo ta lekhi ki dela pore hi order ta haba. Please call. Yes, Ms. Patnaik.
To make a mention, my lord, content matter, my lord, may be listed next week. One content matter.
Content matter of arising out of order of this bench.
My lord.
When you are sure of the assignment.
My lord.
Give it to registry, no problem. नहीं जानते. ଆଜ୍ଞା କେବେ ଥିବ ଯାହା ଦେଖିବେ ଆମର ଯେହେତୁ ଏଟା ବ୍ରେକ୍ ବେଞ୍ଚ ହଉଛି ଯଦିଓ ଏଟା ରେଗୁଲାର ଆସାଇନମେଣ୍ଟ ବଟ୍ ଏଟା କେବଳ ବ୍ରେକ୍ ବେଞ୍ଚ ହଉଛି ଏଟା ରେଗୁଲାର ଯଦି ଥିବ ସେ yes please
item number 16 my lord
16 yes
I play next week my
next sitting
16 1 6 my lord
हाँ कौन चाहूँगी
I play next week my lord
Arjun
yes
your name sir
LP Divedi
yes next sitting करेगा पड़ो next week तो date ही नहीं yes
item 14 on the SK route and next week
cannot yes
my lord item 11 my lord
yes
adjourn to next week my lord
you are Mr. S. Jyoti Prakash
my lord
so by adjourning at least I have remembered you make so many adjournments so I expect that when Jyoti Prakash will come and start adjourning you should start arguing sir next sitting and Mr. Roth is where is he
he's not
he's busy if he's busy as a lawyer that's good yes next
item
yes
18
yes what do you want sir Divedi
next week your lord
next week to date nahi gote dino eta budhabar kebala tenu 5 tarikh hobo
acha
apanakara 26 chutti next sitting
my lord
next sitting jodio I am dictating but it is effectively 5th because it's only one day assignment budhavar Wednesday 3:30 yes next call the list
my lord I am permitted to argue
yes who is in the BC Mr. Acharya
my lord item 9
yes
my lord on last occasion I had seek time to take some instruction from my client
yes
instruction are yet to arrive I am praying for a short adjournment
so next date is only 5th of available date is 5th of March 26th is holiday this bench is only for yes
Obliged, Lordship.
Yes. Yes, Mr. Ponda from Balasu. Mr. S.K. Ponda
Hello.
being present at S.K. Ponda for the petitioner. Item 1, who is appearing? Mr. Sanjeev EGA for the state.
The petitioner,
Mr. Ponda, London Council, on behalf of the petitioner being present at the virtual court, virtual court, High Court of Orissa, Balasur, addresses arguments. Yes, Mr. Ponda.
My Lord, the petitioner is challenging the order dated 17 January 2015, passed by the additional settlement officer Jajpur in appeal case number 247 of 2014. The case of the
Order is 2015,
15,
7 January,
17th January 177. The case-
07.
17.
17, আমার ভুলে গেছি।
Yeah, exactly. 7.
1 টা বোধহয় এপটে রয়ে গেছে। Yes, yes. There is some bookmarking, so I use that paperless. So yes,
The case of the petitioner that
this order is not applicable.
the order is applicable.
Why you are coming here? See,
The
appeal is always a more efficacious remedy. Because a read court exercising 227 or 226 power doesn't exercise the power of a appellate court.
but here
You contemplate, Mr. Ponda, you contemplate on this, and I'm adjourning it to the next date. I'm not asking you to give an instant answer. Because finding of facts or based on the records what has been done may be erroneous, but I can't substitute it by exercising 227 or 226 jurisdiction.
finding is authorized, my lord. The finding of the court is in
No. I'm not asking you on merits. I asked you that whether this order is applicable or not. Your answer is clear. I'm relying on you for that this is applicable order. So if you examine the jurisdiction of read court, read court can interfere. The condition is inherent lack of jurisdiction, violation of principle of natural justice, remand. Then it will be remanded. Not even the read court can exercise just jurisdiction of the court who made the trial or the revenue court. This is in fact the quasi-judicial authority, almost like a judicial authority. So that you say that whether because unless you explore that remedy of fact-finding court of appeal, those points you cannot argue. Appeal ही पड़े. Limitation बाढ़ है ना कि?
settlement appeal heba kotha. Settlement heba kotha.
Yes.
Board revenue যেহেতু রিমান্ড করতেছে ম্যাটরটা তারপরে যেহেতু ডিসাইড হয়েছি সে ডিসিশন লো পুনি রহিছি যে সোমতো রাইট ফিক্সেশন কেস অনুসারে হয়েছি সেটিপাই
Remand কলে भी appeal is still maintainable. Remand order ହେଲା ପରେ ବୋଲି ତା ବୋଲି कोन आउथरे appeal is gets extinguished. It's a statutory. ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଏଟା OSS Act 2012 ତ?
2012
ହଁ, appeal କୋଉ provision ରେ ଅଛି?
appeal
6B. 58 Act 6B.
previously there are two
ठीक है,
appeals.
examine କରନ୍ତୁ. You make a proper serious deliberation on this. We are at the level of High Court. That much is expected, Mr. Ponda.
Yes, ma'am.
I had learned counsel for the petitioner. The learned counsel for the petitioner seeks accommodation to obtain instruction and address arguments as prayed for. List on 5th March.
Item 2.
Yes, Mr. Patnaik.
Yes, my lord. My limited prayer is that
Kindly speak to the microphone.
matter में challenging the
ठीक है, microphone ने adjust कर दियो. हाँ.
I'm challenging the order that is revisional court order annexure 6
Yes.
what happened in this case, my lord?
It is not appealable.
No, no.
Yes.
It is
Okay, please,
15B.
please carry on. Carry on.
My lord.
Yes.
I filed a petition for correction of ROR.
Hmm.
But it is peculiar circumstances that your lordship kindly see annexure.
No, you first place that part of the order which you are impugning.
Impugning, my lord, that case is
Page 39, straight away come to page 39.
is 30.
Straight away come to the order.
Yes,
Where, yes.
Here, my lord, I have not got any opportunity to have the matter because your lordship kindly see that 20/20/2024 decision has taken.
Hmm.
But your lordship kindly see page, that is page annexure.
Yeah, just got the microphone.
Yes, yes. Cause list of the revisional code, my lord. Annexure 5, running page.
ଆହୁରି ତଳୁ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ପୁରା ତଳୁ କରିକି ଉପରକୁ ତାପରେ କରିଦିଅନ୍ତୁ
Running
Yes.
page 30, your lordship kindly see.
ହଁ yes
Serial number 75.
yes
That is RP 44023.
yes
And same day, when I went to the court, that matter already be disposed of on 20. 20 तारीख रे सरी गलानी. How the case is listed on 30?
नहीं ଆପଣ entire order sheet ଆଣିଲେ ଜଣା ପଡିବ this doesn't reflect that there was no opportunity if you straight away come to that order
Even, my lord, then how the name of the council is the president and 39? 30 नंबर आगे सेदिन लिस्ट के नरला 20 नंबर फाइनल ऑर्डर है जी पुन लिखाई जन दैट डेट काउंसिल
then ସେଇଟା you see you are imputing something on basis of your inference that is not to be done regarding a I mean
Then you-
quasi judicial authority or a judicial I may remand it but they have to obtain instruction ଆପଣଙ୍କ other side କେହି ବି ନାହାନ୍ତି both have become not represented look at page 38
that is nobody is there.
Mr. Swain you are having copy
Posted copy.
page 38 also counsel for petitioner none counsel for opposite party none
No.
you have implicated the private opposite party as a in your writ petition
My lord.
Mr. Patnaik लिखिले appearance and Mr. Swain AGA for the state hard learned counsel for the petitioner then Sapara it is submitted that the petitioner has not been given any opportunity in the proceeding before the
Additional
authority under section 15B of the Odisha Survey Settlement Act the petitioner being ଏଠି ଆପଣ petitioner ଥିଲେ ତ
My lord.
ମନ୍ମଥ ଚନ୍ଦ୍ର ଜେନା
Jena.
the present petitioner the petitioner in the writ petition being petitioner before the authority the ଆପଣ 75 जो पेज रे देखौछन तासे what you intend to show from that serial number 75 page 30 रे
That is, my lord, how the order is passed behind me. That is the main record.
नहीं से
Even if the order has passed on 20 नंबर हला 30 नंबर फोन लिस्ट केम आगे कॉज लिस्ट आसिला यदि डिस्पोज ऑफ इज
that cannot be cause list delisting and all these things cannot be there are so many disposed of matters listed before this court every day so can you say that since the matter is listed in the cause list today it has not been disposed of anyway ठीक अछि the opportunity of hearing
Ma'am.
given upon that's the
Ma'am,
main plank of argument say लिखिले authority was not given any opportunity of hearing was not given effective opportunity of hearing the learned counsel refers to the impugned order dated 20th September 2024 which goes to show that neither the petitioner nor the opposite party were represented in the matter represented through their respective counsel on that date before the authority. Issue notice The learned AGA, upon advance copy being served, appears on behalf of the OP number 7. Waives notice. An extra copy be served on the learned AGA. Issue notice to opposite parties 1 to 6 by registered / speed post with AD. Requisites filed within
week, man.
7 days. List after SR. In the notice to SLB stay of operation of the impugned order dated 20th September 2024, passed in RP number 440 of 2023 by the Additional Commissioner, Land Records and Settlement, Kotak-1, headquarters at Collectorate, Jajpur. There shall be, as an interview directed, there shall be stay of operation. Kale? Yes.
Item 3.
May I please, on behalf of Mr. S.S. Rai, my lord.
Yes, your name, sir?
S.N. Patnaik. I have
Or
no
power nahi?
No, my lord.
Power nahi.
No.
You are SS Patnaik.
S.N. Patnaik.
Mr. Sanjeev Swai, AG for the state.
For consideration of his demarcation application. Demarcation application, there is a prescribed form.
Yes.
It is not in that form. So let him apply to the Tahsildar in the proper form, prescribed form.
I think he has only annexed part of that form. Page 10 is part of first page.
No, it is form is not like this one. It's a different form.
Because the details, tafsil, moja, thana number, khata number, plot number, chauhadi, everything is mentioned. It is locally chhapai thibe samane. So you obtain instruction on this. The hard running counsel for the petitioner. It is submitted that the petitioner's application for demarcation of land is pending before the opposite party authority. That is the Tahsildar Tangi Chaudhar. The Lorded AGA, जो लिखले पूर्व लिस्ट Lorded AGA पूर्व लेखन्तु. It is submitted that though the matter is though the application is pending since 16th of May 2023, but no yet no action has been taken by the authority. Para the Lorded AGA upon advance copy being served appears and waives notice on behalf of the opposite parties. It is submitted by the Lorded AGA that the application for demarcation of land requires the application to be made in a proper prescribed format, which apparently has not been done. The learned counsel for the petitioner refers to Annex page 10, Annex 2 of the petition to indicate that the application was made. The learned AGA subpara, the learned AGA shall obtain instruction regarding present status of the application, and also the requirement if the petitioner has to make an application afresh. list on 5. 5th of day state is 5th.
Obligation.
Yes.
Item 4.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Mr. Bikram Pratap BP Das, you are writing DPR.
Yes.
Mr. B.PR.Das for the petitioner.
Here,
Corporation collector is a party here.
corporation is a party, the state is not a party.
Yes.
Here, the petitioner challenges continuance of the disciplinary proceeding against him after his retirement without there being any provision in the service rules.
You have solved OP number 3. They have a separate panel count, separate panel of
This is the
counters.
first time the matter is being listed.
Advance copy को तो High Court rules से अच्छे दवा पाएं.
I will serve a copy in the senior standing council of the.
Whoever is appearing,
Yes.
because they have a senior standing council here. Yes.
Vigilance is not only I have made it party because vigilance proceeding is going on. My retirement dues have been withheld because of pendency of the vigilance case, which they cannot do. The corporation cannot do. Neither they can proceed further in the disciplinary proceeding after my retirement. I have retired since 2020.
But it was initiated in 2013.
13, but it's still continuing. That is not after my retirement. They cannot continue.
Hard Learned Counsel for the petitioner. The petitioner Sopara. It is submitted that the petitioner is facing a departmental proceeding pending since more than 12 years. Initiated way back on 28th of January 2013. The petitioner has retired from government service on attaining age of superannuation on
11/7/2020.
11th of July 2020. 2020. 2020. It is submitted that the retirement and other benefits due and admissible to the petitioner are kept pending to be paid to him.
The pendency of the vigilance case as well as
On the purported ground of pendency of the departmental proceeding
as well as the vigilance case.
as well as the pending vigilance case.
I have challenged continuous vigilance. Department proceeding cannot continue after my retirement. There is no specific provision in the service rules. As per Bhagirathi Jana case, to the Supreme Court.
Your this corporation, the pension rules apply.
No,
I
have
have
the
the
rule book.
service rules of the corporation under which the petitioner is employed. There is no provision for continuing the departmental proceeding post superannuation. But pension rules provide. Pension rule is very specific.
If they adopt pension rule, then they can.
No, that I don't know your submission.
I have the service the rule book with me. There is nothing.
Yes. So that I have recorded.
Yes, yes.
One lekhile sentence, sir. Opposite party dash corporation. Issue notice along with this order. Requisites for issuance of notice to the opposite parties number 1 and 2
By Monday.
be filed within 3 working days. For the present, no notice as it is submitted by the Learned Counsel that no relief is sought for against OP number 3. Let an extra copy of the petition be served on the Learned Standing Counsel
Yes.
appearing for the OP number 3 before this court. List after SR. Liberty to mention for listing before the assigned bench.
Item 5.
May I please, Lordship, my lord. Here, my lord, the petitioner filed an application before.
Mr. S.K. Nayak for the petitioner, Mr. Sanjay Kumar Swami, AGA for the state. Yes.
May I please, Lordship, my lord, the petitioner filed an application before the collector Jagsingpur to correct the map as per the order as per the
His collector capacity.
no, collector is the district magistrate, my lord.
Can he do that? Does he have the authority?
My lord. As per the
Which provision?
my lord, as per the provision of OSS rule 46, my lord.
OSS rules 1962
Lord.
or 2012
No, my lord, 62.
rule
Rule 46, my lord.
46.
My lord. Can I place? 46, replacement of map, where the collector considered that
Where collector is defined in the statute. For example, land acquisition collector, is he the collector and district magistrate? He is not the collector and district magistrate.
uh,
A authority in the rank of maybe deputy collector is notified.
my-
So where collector is defined.
collector is not defined in the rule, my lord. Rule or act, my lord.
Board of Revenue notification. से टेबल रे भी नहीं और देखिए अपेंडिक्स टा शेड्यूल 1 रे भी नहीं. Yes.
My lord. My humble submission before your lordships, my lord. After final publication of the map and ROR, my lord, the consultation officer filed a revision case under section 37(1) of
Yes.
OCSPFL Act.
से एक्ट कोड है consultation of holding. तो उठेला गुरुको नहीं से रख दो. Yes, please carry on.
My lord. After the final publication of ROR and map, my lord, in the petitioner's village, the some of the villagers filed a revision case under section 37(1) to correct the map as per their position. Similarly, the consultation officer also filed a revision case to as per the possession of the villagers of the Barampur. Application is annexure 2, page 15, is the application of the consultation officer, my lord. If your lordships kindly see annexure 2, page 15, middle of the, in the matter of consultation officer, Balikuda.
Yes.
My
It is in the court of commissioner consideration.
My lord.
Yes.
The application section 37(1), my lord.
37.2 has been corrected to 37.1. So nobody knows who has corrected because there is no initial, no date, nothing.
My lord, I have filed the certified copy.
No, that's not the question. Look at the annexure 2.
My lord.
37.2 has been corrected to be 37.1. There is no initial, no signature. Page 15 dekhantu.
My lord, my lord.
So upon kemti conclude karibe eta 37.2 ki 37.1.
37.1
Any corrections in a petition has to be duly attested.
attested, my lord.
Kichi nahi hitare.
Your lordships kindly see the annexure 3, page 18, my lord, 180.
180, yes,
My
please.
lord. Order of the commissioner, my lord. Had both the parties on the admissibility and merit of revision petition number 957 of 91 and 1087 of 92 filed under section
Yes,
30.
yes.
My lord. So the consultation officer filed a revision case, as well as the villagers of the petitioner's village also filed an application under section 37(1) to correct the map, HAL map, as per their
So
possession.
look at the order at page 19, para 5.
My lord. Hence, the case is admitted, remanded to consultation officer Balikuda for fresh adjudication under section 14 of the Act as per law.
Thereafter, what happened?
My lord, thereafter, the consultation officer prepared a corrected map, my lord.
OCHPFL. Orissa Consolidation of Holding and Prevention of Fragmentation of Land. Yes. Then what happened?
My lord, the consultation officer corrected the map. That is annexure 20.
Yes. When it was published? Date, order date?
My lord, that though I have not filed the order, my lord, but I have filed the corrected map.
Yes. You know the date?
My lord.
Date of the order?
My lord.
Yes, then what happened?
My lord.
Yes, please carry on. You carry on the submission. Don't get distracted. Huh?
My
Yes.
lord. The order date is 31/8/1996, my lord.
Yes.
Thereafter, after the consolidation operation, if any correction will be made under the section 22 of OCHPFL Act, the collector has power to rectify that map.
Under OCHPFL.
Under OCHPFL. If your lordships kindly see the section 22.
No, I'm yet to get the book actually. My book has been misplaced. 80 ଅଛି 80 ଦେଖିଲେ ଏଟା ବୁଲାନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ ଯେହେତୁ ବହିଟା ଇଏ କରିଦଉଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ଦେଖିପାରୁନି ବୁଲେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଥାକଟା ବୁଲେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ଏଟା ଏମିତି ଇଆଡକୁ କରିକି ରଖନ୍ତୁ ହଁ ପୁରା ବୁଲେଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ସାଇଡରେ ନାଇଁ ଆପଣଙ୍କଠୁ ରହିବ ନା ସେମିତି ନୁହଁ ଲମ୍ବା ଲମ୍ବା କରି ଘୁଞ୍ଚାନ୍ତୁ ୟେସ୍ ୟେସ୍
My lord, kindly see.
Yes, 22.
My lord, 22. Subsection 22. Preparation and publication of final map and record of rights and coming into force for final consultation scheme.
Yes.
1. As soon as may be after confirmation of provisional consultation scheme, the consultation officer shall cause to be prepared for each village in consultation area a final map and record of rights on the basis of consultation scheme so confirmed. Then your lordships kindly see subsection 4, my lord.
Yes.
The map and the record of rights published under subsection 1 shall, subject to
22(4) ପଢୁଛନ୍ତି?
My lord.
Publication of the provisional consultation scheme under section 18. Act na rule ପଢୁଛନ୍ତି?
My lord, act, my lord.
Act. Yes, I was holding the rule, so that is how it is not matching. Yes.
My lord.
Act 22, yes.
My lord. The subsection 1, my lord. As soon as may be after confirmation of provisional consultation scheme, the consultation officer shall cause to be prepared for each village in the consultation area a final map and record of rights on the basis of consultation scheme so confirmed, my lord.
Yes.
My lord. Thereafter subsection 4, my lord. The map and the record of rights published under subsection 1 shall, subject to alternation and modification made in pursuance of orders passed under section 15 or 36 of order referred to in subsection 3 of section 41 for all intent and purpose be deemed to have been prepared under the Odisha Survey Settlement Act.
Yes.
So the map or ROR which has been published under the OCSPFL Act, after final publication, it be deemed to be published under the Odisha Survey Settlement Act, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, if your lordships kindly see the then rule 46, my lord, of Odisha Survey Settlement Rule 1962.
No, but the thing is that
My lord.
you are saying the collector Jagat Singhpur to prepare a new map.
My lord, as per the
So consolidation map has been prepared. That you have annexed.
that I have annexed, my lord.
Your case is that this consolidation map is not matching with the survey settlement map,
No, no, no.
revenue map.
No, no. Consolidation operation was came into force of the petitioner's village, my lord.
Yes.
After consolidation operation, during consolidation operation, a provisional map and ROR was prepared. Thereafter, final map.
No, you don't go into the background because lack of time.
My lord,
So
my lord,
when we are discussing all these things, let us arrive at the conclusion.
my lord.
You are agreed by what? Because Annexure 4 is the map published by after the consolidation OSPHFL map.
My lord.
So
But
thereafter, but your prayer is to collector to prepare a map.
Prepare the map as per the map prepared by the CO, and that application.
So I mean, collector will prepare the map for the first time, or it will alter existing map.
Alter the existing map.
Alter the existing map. So
My
that I'm asking you. So where is the existing map? Have you annexed that?
The existing map is that is Annexure 4, my lord.
Annexure 4, you are saying after the order by the commissioner, it went to the consolidation officer. Thereafter, the result is Annexure 4.
My lord, in that,
And that is in 1995 or 98, you said.
my lord, 91, my lord.
91.
Sorry, so 96,
early.
my lord. 96, my lord.
96.
My lord. In the it has been mentioned, my lord. If your lordships kindly see the map, my lord, the CO has mentioned.
Unless you assist the court to arrive at something, then what the question the court can ask to them?
My lord, so
where is that map that you want to be altered?
that is the Annexure 4. If your lordship permitted me.
No, you are saying you are very categorical. That Annexure 4 is result of after the consolidation officer is a statutory authority has directed for this.
My lord.
How collector can interfere with that?
My lord, my humble submission before lordships, in Annexure 4, the consolidation officer has formed a existing map and the renew map. He has mentioned, my lord. He has mentioned.
But it is not colored. So there is no indication I cannot.
With lordship's permission, my lord. With lordship's permission. Side रे लेखा हिची तळकू नाली
परंतु नाली चिन्हित
my lord.
मु धरिची कळा और धळा
My lord.
आ लॉर्डशिप को परमिशन देले कोन नालिया को मते देखि नाली चिन्हित चक मेढ और नंबर सरजमीन तंत्र मुताबिक दखल और प्रस्तावित अटे कला चिन्हित चक मेढ और नंबर फाइनल चक नक्शा मुताबिक अटे
My lord.
सो से नालिया कला मो पार किछि नाही तो यू शुड हैव फाइल्ड द कलर्ड कॉपी
My lord. My lord.
आपण पाखर भी तो नथियो
नहीं से जेरॉक्स
and on a counsel for the petitioner the petitioner आपण how you are affected na
नहीं not a PIL.
how you are affected आपण ताबी किछि लेखि नाहंती the petitioner raises a grievance that the new map
My lord.
आपण new map जेतले कहउछन्ती you are not qualifying the map, is it a settlement map or a consolidation map or a so that you should have specifically mentioned.
इसे जो
A new map आपण prayer रे लेखि नाहंती new map should have been the new map is yet to be published by the consolidation by the collector under section 46 of the Odisha Survey Settlement Rules, 1962. Mr. Naik, you are listening to me. So be careful. मुझे dictate करछि any so you have to listen to me. Under Rule 46.
46.
Under Rule 46 of the Survey Settlement Rules, 1962. It is submitted by the Learned Council that the consolidation authority have published the proposed map annexed to the writ petition marked as Annexure 4 pursuant to the order of the Commissioner Consolidation dated 23/12/1998, page 18.
My lord.
No, 93 seta.
93, my lord.
93.
My lord.
93. But I issue notice along with this order indicating that the matter is likely to be disposed of at the stage of admission. The lauded AGA, upon advance copy served, appears and waives notice on behalf of the opposite parties. Let counter affidavit be filed within 4 weeks as prayed for by the learned AGA. After pleadings are complete, liberty to mention for listing before the assigned bench. Yes.
My lord. Obliged.
Item 6.
May I please your lordship, my lord? I am VCR Puri, my lord.
Panigrahi.
My lord, I am VCR Puri, my lord.
Yes.
My
Siluchan Panigrahi, petitioner. Mr. Sanjeev Swai, AGA for the state. The Lorent Council, Mr. Panigrahi, being present at the virtual court, High Court of Orissa at Puri, addresses arguments. Yes.
My lord, please make a class to the Annexure 5, running page 28, my lord.
Yes.
The property belonging Sampur Mauja, my lord, is in not final stage of the ROR, my lord. And so far as Annexure 1 is concerned, please make a glance, running page 12. It has been published not finally in the name of the GA department. That is illegal, my lord. General Administration Department. Sadharana Prasasana Vibhaga. That is also wrong, my lord. Because, my lord,
Had to be under the GA department, including parts of Kotak.
my submission, my lord, I have citing cell leads as well as ROR. These are the public documents.
Bhubaneswar has been specifically included under the GA department except the villages. So if you say it's a village, fine.
Sampur is a village, my lord.
No, Sampur is no more a village. It was a village. Gadakono was a village under Kotak Tahsil.
My lord,
Sekarpur was a village under Kotak Tahsil.
my lord.
It is history. It is history.
My lord, so far, shoot land is considered strictly on land. Because that is a cell to mix up. Annexure 2, please make a glance, cell deed. Stands in the name of my wife, my lord, something like that.
How you possess the land on the basis of
Yes, my lord. Yes, yes.
মানে পড়িয়া নথিলি
No, cell deed. Register cell deed.
Tell did your vendor sold you a land.
My lord.
How? What is the title of the vendor? How did he come to hold the title?
Please make us Annexure 3. He is a Stithivan tenant, my lord. Annexure 3, please make a glance. Running page 25. That is the ROR. Stands in the name of my vendors, my lord. Who purchased, who sold out this shoot land in my favor, in my wife's
ପଢନ୍ତୁ
favor.
ଆଜ୍ଞା ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ମୁଁ ଯଦି ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ ଆସିଷ୍ଟ କରିବି କେମିତି ହବ
Again.
greatest of respect look at column 12 page 26
My lord. Oriya nothing.
so you have got a Westland lease case.
My lord.
So you never know what happened in Padanathi. I've been asking you. You examine yourself. You are barking. Maybe you are barking of the wrong tree. Se Padanathi lease cancel hey. Seta feri sarlani comment khata ko.
Oh.
Apano tiye taku dekhuntu. You are more capable, sir. Much more capable.
More prayer,
How can after looking at page 26 column 12 how does the court know that it is if it is a Padanathi lease or the Westland lease case, then it has to be a government land. Government is settling Westland with the persons who are not having any land. So after getting that land, he has sold you. Most likely.
Only my grievance before lordship, though I have not given opportunity before the settled authority. So OP number 3 may be directed. I will take shelter before the OP number 3 and cite all documents. He will decide the case.
First of all, you must know what is the present status of your vendor. You look at the sale deed.
Also, my lord, Annexure 3 also.
देखो अपन सेल डीड से कौन लिखछन तांकर ओनरशिप विषय रे
Again.
सेल डीड तो नाही एतरे
अच्छी Annexure 2 अच्छी देखो हजूर अच्छी Annexure 2 देइछि सेल डीड तपसिली विक्रय वृत्ति ओडिशा नंबर 5 मौजा शामपुर नंबर 89 थाना चंदका हाउस खंडगिरी खाता 23/34 नंबर 243/64 दखल सत्व 0/1999/1969 मसीहारू विधि मते क्रय निलामापी पूर्वक आदाय करी नेबे ओ नेबे एही विदाय वृत्ति को आम्भे विक्रेता यह
Mr. Panirai, don't read the entire thing. Simply concentrate on what he has written about his ownership.
Ownership, my lord, as per the sale deed, he stated that he is the owner and he sold out the same to me.
Usually, in the recital, it is mentioned that how he became the owner. That he has stated.
My lord.
Your record of right shows that he has got this through by a Podiyanathi lease.
But my lord, my responsibility.
And you know the status of Sampur land.
I may permit to ventilate my grounds before the additional sub-collector, my lord, highlighting all the documents.
I don't know what would be your course of action. If you want to withdraw it, you can approach the authority, no problem. That is not my advice. That it is for you to do.
My lord. With that objection.
Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that. Yes, Mr. Swai. Mr. Swai, AG. The learned counsel for the petitioner submits that in the latest published record of right, page, Mr. Panirai.
That is a
not final, 12-13.
My lord, 12-13, annex 1.
Not final pata final है नहीं पर्यंत.
No. Annex 5 कहूची परा.
Not final pata, not final टा कर दियंतु courts, single court भितरे. Annex to the writ petition marked as Annex 1. In column 3, name of the GA pura full form lekun, the General Administration Department has been indicated, whereas the petitioner is the owner of the land, having received the title by a registered sale deed dated 22/8/1990, made by his vendor, Sri M.S.Sahoo, by registered sale deed RSD लिखिवे, registered sale deed number एते date देखिक लिखिवे, भूलभाल नहीं जीवन वाले. डेट टा तो आपन को मु कहि देली, नंबर टा होची
74-94.
76-94.
आज्ञा नाही 74-94.
को पेज
एटा annex 2 तळे लिखा छै जरूर देखंतु.
पेज सर, पेज आई एम आस्किंग.
पेज 14.
अच्छा, पेज 14 रे अछि देखिबे 74-94 कहउछंती. This the learned counsel submits that the petitioner would have a efficacious remedy in approaching the revenue authority for redressal of his grievances and shall pursue his remedy. The learned AGA in fairness submits that since the matter has been listed for fresh admission, the petitioner may do so as would be advised. In view of the above, the writ petition stands disposed of. The petitioner to pursue his remedy as available under law before the appropriate authority. It is clarified that this court has not expressed any opinion regarding the merits of the case or the contentions of the parties. The rest of the matters need to be adjourned because I cannot sit we have a function at the bar and some other things. So beyond 4:30, I wish the other matters will be listed on the next date. It would be 5th of March. Yes, Mr. Someone?
Item 12, that little bit of urgency because here my prayer is for antedating my promotion in order to be considered.
So let me call then the next matters. Item 7, anyone there?
My lord, on behalf
Let it be adjourned. You are seeking adjournment. Your name?
My lord has ordered government to take instructions, my lord.
आपन को नाटा?
गौतम पट्टनायक, my lord.
Mr. Gautam G. Patnaik on behalf of K. Guru for the petitioner, Mr. Sanjeev Swai, AGA for the state. The learned counsel for the petitioner refers to the order dated 10th of February 2025 to submit that the state was directed to obtain instruction. AGA 6 accommodation as spread for list on 5 March, 5th of March. Yes, next, call next.
Published.
Mr. S.K. Dwivedi. Item 8. You continue. Joda se mention kar should have been order dakka. Item 8, Mr. S.K. Dwivedi for the petitioner, Mr. Sanjeev Swai, AGA for the state. Learned counsel for the petitioner 6 accommodation. List on 5-3-25. वो तो 24 के जेड एक्चुअली 25 टेक आज spread for item 9 Mr. A. Acharya for the petitioner opposite party blank learned counsel for the petitioner 6 accommodation to obtain instruction as spread for list on 5-3.
Item 10. My lord, item 10.
Mr. Misra.
My lord.
Yes.
My lord, prayer for appointment under rehabilitation assistance scheme.
এটা ফার্স্ট টাইম পে আসছে না আগুর থিলা
ଆଗରୁ ଥିଲା ଗତ ଥର ଥିଲା
CMC.
ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ ପାଇଁ ଥିଲା ତାର ରିପେନ୍ସନ ବି ଅଛି ଆନେକ୍ସର 7 ରେ ହଜୁର ସେଟା କରିଦଉନାହାନ୍ତି ଡିସ୍ପୋଜ ଅଫ ହେଇଯାଉ
नहीं ଆପଣଙ୍କର ସେ ଯୋଉ ରେଫର ହେଇଛି ସେଥି ପାଇଁ ୱେଟ୍ କରିବେ ନା ନାହିଁ ଆପଣ ଏବେଠୁ କରିବେ
ନାଇଁ
applicability of the earlier rules or the present rules that has been referred. So last occasion, my order sheet shows that you took adjournment to obtain instruction. I think on that ground only.
My lord, your lordship advised that whether the petitioner has approved the municipality for rehabilitation appointment or not. To know that. What instruction I got from the petitioner, my lord, that he has gone to the office, approved the concerned staff. They did not accept the petitioner and he returned back. He is a scheduled caste lady, my lord.
No, has he filed any application? Has she filed any application or as you are showing in page 18?
My lord.
Or you will make a application afresh?
Afresh.
Mr. P.C. Misra for the petitioner. Mr. S.K. Swai, AGA for the opinion number 1. ଆପଣ ତାଙ୍କର କମିଶନର କୁ ପାର୍ଟି କରିବେ ନା ଚେୟାରମ୍ୟାନ ଇଜ ନଟ୍ ଦ ଷ୍ଟାଚୁଟୋରୀ ଅଥରିଟି ଆପଣ
Commissioner.
କଣ କରିବେ
Commissioner.
The Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner shall make another application oblique representation for appointment under rehabilitation assistance enclosing copy of the earlier application annexed to the writ petition marked as annexer 7. Annexer 7 dated 30/12/2023. In view of the limited nature of grievance raised by the petitioner and the prayer made by the Learned Counsel for the petitioner to move the authority, the writ petition is disposed of. Observing that the petitioner shall make a proper application oblique representation before the authority, enclosing copies of the earlier applications along with all such supporting documents sought to be relied upon by the petitioner for seeking redressal of her grievances regarding appointment under rehabilitation assistance
Scheme.
The authorities shall do well to consider the same as expeditiously as possible in accordance with law and take a decision. The decision shall be communicated to the petitioner within a period of 2 weeks after taking such decision. The petition starts disposed of.
My lord, by giving a personal hearing to petitioner.
That I said when the authority, if so advised, may give opportunity of hearing to the petitioner if necessary. Yes.
Item 11.
Mr. S. Jyoti Prakash for the petitioner. Mr. S.K. Swai, AGA for the state. Learned Counsel for the petitioner 6 accommodation as prayed for the matter stands adjourned.
Item
To
12.
5-3. Yes. Mr. S.K. Samal for the Mr. S.K. Swai, AGA for the state. Yes, Mr. Samal.
My lord, in this case, my lord, the petitioner, your lordship may kindly come to page 20, my lord. The petitioner was in the gradation list of deputy directors. He was at serial number 2, my lords.
Yes.
Thereafter, my lord, in the month of December 2021, a DPC was held for giving promotion from the post of deputy director to joint director.
Yes.
But the case of the petitioner was not considered as because he had only 3 online parts and 2 offline parts, my lords. So due to lack of one online part, his case was not considered. But somehow he has been given promotion in the year 2023. That is your lordship may kindly come to
Annexure 7, page 35.
my lords. But my lord, now the GA department, my lord, your lordship may kindly come to, has come with a circular page 49, your lordship, annexure 11, page 49.
Yes.
Therein they have decided to consider online parts by opening the HRMS portal for 2 months, and those who had not submitted their online parts earlier, they have been given an opportunity to submit their online parts, and accordingly cases for promotion will be considered. So accordingly, my lord, I have filed a representation before my authority. I have, in the meantime, I have already submitted my online parts during that shortfall period, and now I have approached the authorities for considering my case for giving antedating my promotion to the 2021 DPC. That is my.
Yes.
That is page 64.
They have not taken any decision on that.
Not taken any decision on that, my lord.
When the petitioner is going to retire?
He has, my lord, long
yes. Time. Pursuing your authority results in a negative answer. So that is how I was asking you.
Because now they are going to, my lord, in the meantime.
But that opening of the portal is not from a retrospective date. Because if it is the portal is open, uploading is a physical act.
But
when he was given promotion in 23, his promotion has not been antedated.
Not antedated, my lord.
His immediate junior is now senior to him in the promotional cadre.
No, my lord. Now senior to him, my lord.
Hard Lord counsel for the petitioner. It is submitted that the petitioner got promotion to the rank of deputy director. Kindly listen. By order dated 21st March 2023.
That is to the post of joint director.
To the rank of joint director by order dated 21st March 2023. Annexed to the writ petition marked as Annexure 7. In the cadre of Orissa Welfare Service. Pursuant to a review departmental promotion committee. It is submitted that the persons immediately junior and similarly situated to the petitioner have got their promotion by order dated
31st March 2022, Annex 2, page 22.
By order dated 31st of March 2022 into bracket annexed to the annex marked into bracket annexed 2 to the writ petition. It is submitted that the delay in giving promotion to the petitioner by holding a review DPC was only for the fact that was for the fact that the performance appraisal reports were not uploaded online. And ଆପଣଙ୍କର କେତେଟା ରହିଯାଇଥିଲା par?
2ଟା ରହିଯାଇଥିଲା 16, 17, 17, 18.
For the years 16, 17
and 17, 18.
And 17, 18. The Learned Council refers to the general government in the General Administration Department notification page.
That is page 49, dated 15th March 2024.
15th March 2024. Annexed into bracket annexure 11 to the writ petition to submit that there has been a provision has been made to accept pars online by opening the portal for a period of 2 months. For 2 months. It is submitted in the fitness of the things the petitioner's promotion should be antedated to So author se date ta kohuntu
That's
31st of March 2022
minutes.
ঠিক কইছি তো
Minutes.
31st of March 2022 para he submitted the petitioner has made a representation annexed to the writ petition marked as Annexure 13 dated 13/12/2024 pending consideration by the authority. Yes, Mr. Swine. The Lord AGA fairly submits that since the matter is pending before the authority shall consider the same in accordance with law and take appropriate decision within a reasonable time. Having had learned counsel for the petitioner and the learned AGA, the writ petition is disposed of without issuing notice to the opposite parties. Issuing further notice without issuing further notice to the opposite parties, observing that the authorities shall do well to consider the representation dated 13/12/2024 within a period of 3 months from date of communication from the certified copy of this order along with copy of the representation and all such other documents sought to be relied upon by the petitioner. The authorities shall do well to give opportunity of hearing to the petitioner if advised, if so advised. The decision of the authorities of para, the authorities shall be communicated to the petitioner within a period of 2 weeks from such decision. It is clarified that this court has not expressed any opinion regarding merits of the case or contentions of the parties to the litigation. Rest of the matters, সেটা order হয়ে গেল, but there is no time now. Mention করলে? সুবিলে? Typographical error? আচ্ছা। Item 17 লেখন্তু। The matter has been placed for correction of a inadvertent typographical error. Made by Mr. Datta. লেখা যায় সেটা নাকি? Wherein the order has been typed as 10th of January 2025 instead of 10th of February 2025. Para. The correction be carried out in the order by correcting the date. The order shall be treated to be, or the order number 1 shall be treated to be made on 10th of February 2025. Rest of the matters जोड़ा अर्जन हैला सेटा मु order करिया पड़ियो. So we have covered up to 17 now. Rest of the matters 3rd of 5th of March. Thank you.